Your imagination is one of the most powerful tools you have. It allows you to dream, to create, to visualize possibilities. But what happens when your imagination is hijacked? What happens when powerful institutions, governments, media, religion, corporations use your imagination against you? Throughout history, governments have convinced their citizens that another country is their enemy. They flood the airwaves with propaganda, stir emotions with fear, and plant seeds of hostility, preparing the public for war. But are these so-called enemies really our enemies? Or is our imagination being manipulated to serve someone else's agenda? The people on the other side of the world are just like you. They work, they love, they hope for a better future. And yet, through propaganda, we're made to believe that they are somehow different, dangerous even. Your imagination is being used as a weapon against you. And most people never realize it. It's not just governments. Corporations, media outlets, influencers, thought leaders, and even religions have mastered the art of hijacking your imagination. They use imagery, stories, and emotional triggers to shape how you see the world. Think about it. Think about advertisements. Companies use your imagination to make you believe that buying their products will make you happier, more attractive, more successful. Think about the news. Every story is crafted to stir your emotions through your imagination. Whether it's fear, outrage, or hopelessness. When you're not in control of your own imagination, someone else is. And the scariest part is, most people believe they are thinking for themselves, when in reality, their thoughts have been carefully planted. In Japan, where I happen to live, television occasionally airs emotionally charged programs designed to provoke profound sadness and tears. These programs often air in the evening, leaving viewers to carry a heavy emotional burden into their sleep. Why would a producer create content designed to manipulate emotions in this way? The answer often lies in advertising dollars. Prolonged emotional engagement increases viewership, which in turn boosts their revenue. This is not unique to Japan. Emotional manipulation through media is a global phenomenon and has been for a long, long time. Whether it's fear-based news stories, overly sentimental TV shows, or ads designed to make you feel inadequate. The goal is the same. Capture your imagination and keep you engaged. But recognizing it is the first step towards reclaiming control over our lives. But what if you can take back control? What if you use your imagination to create instead of letting it be controlled? Your imagination can and is your greatest asset when you use it with awareness. Start questioning what you consume. Ask yourself, who benefits from me believing this? What emotions is this trying to trigger in me? Instead of reacting blindly, step back and reclaim your imagination. When you do, you'll start to see the world and yourself with more clarity than ever before. It's all about being in control of your own mind. Believe me, if you're not controlling your mind, someone else is. And this is exactly what I teach in my book, The Human User Manual. If you want to break free of mental manipulation, thought manipulation, and start thinking for yourself, this book is for you. Grab your copy today. You'll be glad you did.